Okay, so let's create a new page, and I'm going to call this one index.html. Now there's quite an important significance to that. Index.html is the first page that the browser will look for when it goes to a website. You must always have an index file, index.html or htm. Okay, so that aside, we've created this new index.html. Now, first useful plugin. Go to Edit, HTML templates. HTML5, which is what we're going to be using here. And there you go. It's actually populated the code for you. It's giving you a head, a body, a title. All we need to do there is we're going to use a p tag. Note it auto completes a tag, and I'm going to put in there hello world. P is just paragraph. Okay, just saying it's a formatting of the text. You don't need to have that P around it, but any text you put in, it's good to have some formatting, and the P tag does that for you. If I now execute that, run that, the browser, no loads, and there we go, hello world. Almost identical. You notice there's a little bit more space above in this new page, and that's because of the formatting the P tag has given us, but otherwise it looks identical. So it's a good thing because we actually are using proper HTML code now, although it doesn't really seem any difference from the web page point of view. So well done, you've just created your first HTML5 page. How easy was that?